In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-import data from another sheet in Google Sheets. If you've ever wished your data could flow automatically from one spreadsheet to another, this is the simplest and most reliable way to do it. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want the data to appear. This is your destination sheet. Click into the cell where you want the imported data to begin. A1 is a common choice. Make sure there's enough empty space to the right and below that cell because the imported data will expand to fill multiple rows and columns. If there's anything in the way, Google Sheets may show an error saying it can't place the results. Now type the formula exactly like this: AX import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet name, range. Those quotation marks are important. Next, replace spreadsheet URL with the full link of the source spreadsheet, the one that holds the data you want. You can copy the entire URL from your browser's address bar and paste it between those quotes. Then replace sheet name range with the tab name and the cell range you want to pull, like sheet 1A1 D100. If your sheet name has spaces or special characters, put single quotes around it inside the quotes. For example, sales 2024, A1 D100. Double check the tab name spelling and that the range covers exactly what you need. Press enter. The first time you connect two spreadsheets with import range, Google Sheets will prompt you to allow access. Click allow access so the two files can talk to each other. If you don't have permission to view the source file, you'll need to get access from its owner, otherwise the import won't work. Once connected, the data should appear in your destination sheet and update automatically as the source changes. Note that import range brings in values, not formatting, so colors and fonts from the source sheet won't carry over. If you need more or fewer columns or rows, just edit the range inside the formula. You can also use open-ended ranges like AD if you expect the data to grow over time. If you see a hashtag ref error asking you to connect sheets, click the prompt to grant access. If you get a cannot find range or sheet message, check the quotes, sheet name and range. And if the results won't expand, clear any content blocking the spill area. That's it. With a single formula, you've built a live connection that keeps your data synchronized, saving you time and reducing manual copy-paste errors.